Quality means different things to different people. To some, quality is simply a banner that represents policies, processes, and procedures. But to us, it's an obsession. It's what drives us. It's the reason that we do what we do. Quality is not something that can be attained just through a certificate. It takes hard work, ingenuity, and passion. It requires that you not only do things right, but that you do the right things better each time. Our commitment to quality is what has transformed us from a modest welding and machining outfit located in a 2,400 square foot garage to one of the world's leading metal fabricators of high-quality, complex OEM parts and assemblies, while still following the same Miller family values that founded our company in 1963. We are redefining what it means to work with a metal fabricator, and that's no easy task. But we do it by empowering our greatest asset, our people. We give them the training, technology, a safe work environment, and the resources they need to innovate. And in return, we're able to deliver on the promise to our customers to provide streamlined, high-quality parts on time, every time. This takes a completely reworked customer experience. From fusing smart manufacturing processes and technologies throughout our metal fabrication, welding, machining, finishing, and assembly services, to state-of-the-art robotic equipment and automation, with Industry 4.0 digital technologies to assist with inventory management and control, capacity management, logistics optimization, on-time production scheduling, and other value-added services. All of these components and more help us to make good on our zero-defect mission. At Miller Fabrication Solutions, we're your strategic partner for complex parts and assemblies, for the long haul. If you're just looking for a cheap part, call a job shop. But if you're looking for a long-term strategic partner to help you offset risk, talk to us. We are Miller Fabrication Solutions, helping to forge OEM innovation.